One thing that never ceases to amaze me with my birds is a beautiful patterning on their feathers. Now, this varies by species and even individuals, but one thing I could always sit and watch all day is the birds preening and looking after their feathers. They will literally spend hours upon hours carefully and meticulously preening and putting each feather into the correct place. We've just come back from Beaumaris Castle, where we've been providing a static display as well as a flying display twice a day. And it's always amazing to watch how they carefully look after their feathers. Ivan is absolutely stunning, especially in the sunshine. Looking at his beautiful camouflage plumage, every single feather is just a work of art. And then there's Hoggle. So gyrfalcons, just being black and white, they still have a stunning beauty to them. And he is a magnificent bird to watch preen. When they fluff up their feathers like this, you can truly see just how many feathers are interlaced with each other. And then there's Dottie with her juvenile plumage, which will only get brighter and more beautiful with age.